Okay, so here's what I have. This is basically the tray that I already made and brought with me. I'm going to use it as a template for this project, but it kind of fits on here, and I didn't want to put it. This is that bottom type cypress, by the way, and I didn't want to cut any more off than I had to. There's a nice piece in the middle I wanted to use, but I thought, no, I'll go ahead and make one of these. It's not the end of the world, right? And I could have put it this way, but if I did that, then I'd lose a lot of character in there, that goofy edge on there, right? But if I put it this way, then I'll be able to keep that goofy edge on the back. I'll still be able to cut out my slots. They'll be totally functional, and I'll still have this on the back. So what I did is I made a mark right here. Now this is not going to be easy to cut because there's a lot of length, and I don't have an outfeed table. So I am going to spin it, and then so I'm going to do the best I can. I want that flat edge up against the in fact, let me go ahead and I'm going to measure it. Okay, so this is going to be tough to control because there's a lot of board out that other end, but I think I can do it. So I'll get it close, right? But then this also has the clip on it. The Milwaukee, almost all the chop saws have it. I don't know if you can catch that, but it has that hold down. That hold down is connected to the saw base. The saw base is connected to the saw base connected to the micro bench. The micro bench is connected to the table, and therefore I can actually let it go, and it's actually solid enough. But then I don't have a battery in there, so I do need to put a battery. That is my top tray. How about that? Whew.